React is basically a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, and it was developed by Facebook back in 2013, and it is by far the most popular framework in the developer community. It uses JSX as a template engine which is composed of JavaScript and HTML. And every React application is based on something called components. You can think of a component as an ingredients like sugar or maybe milk or maybe water. But if you mix all the ingredients correctly, you end up having a tea. Same applies to components of React, and in the same way React is a mixture of several components to build a complete working application. Now that you have a general idea what is a component in React, let's talk about state. State is basically a JavaScript object which stores components dynamic data, and updating state's value can affect other components internally. Let me show you a quick example of what a React application looks like. Here is an example of a React application. This is a counter application. Here we have a function called app which returns a component called counter. And in the counter function we return a div which consists of h1 and two buttons. We are using state in this component, and here we have two functions for addition and subtraction. And when someone click on plus button, we are calling add function, and when someone click on minus button, we are calling sub function to subtract or add the value.